She's gonna be thinking about you for weeks, and dare I say, even months. And I'm gonna tell you why. And of course, I'm gonna tell you a personal story. And as always wanna support you guys with a free guide. I have my 7 exercises to boost your bedroom confidence completely free. It's in the description, it's in the comments. Why do you also want to grab that? Because if you haven't seen my last video, which if you haven't, there was some drama that happened. There's a lot of drama that happened. You can watch it here. But yeah, basically, long story short, YouTube demonetized me. So if for whatever reason you can't find Arica Angelo, if you get that free guide, you can get emails from me, and then you will always be getting my content as well. So let's talk about what are the things that you can do to her so that she's thinking about you for weeks, if not even months. Here's the thing, I've talked about this before, that a woman, we love one thing, and we really love it when a man knows how to do this well, and that is to really create anticipation of what's going to happen. That is super important when you can tell a woman the things that you are going to do to our bodies when we are intimate with you. It gives us something to look forward to. And the preparation that us women go through, let me just tell you, I'm the woman, I'm Arica Angelo. If you don't know who I am, I'm the woman who's gonna tell you things that your wife, your girlfriend, and your friends will not tell you, but it's stuff you need to know. And so the reality is, once you start telling us what you're going to do to us intimately, we just start going into a whole story of our own. We start taking clips from movies, we take clips from books we've read, we take clips from stories that we've shared with our friends, and we start formulating this whole picture of what you might possibly do to our beautiful bodies. Now, you might be thinking this and going, shh, Arica, what if I can't deliver on that? Don't worry, I got you covered. But that is still not why she's gonna think about you for a whole month or weeks. This is just building the framework. Say it with me, the framework. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and build that framework with me. So when you build the anticipation, you start saying the things that you're going to do to her, saying the things that you would imagine. You know, you can always frame it this way. You know, I would imagine myself pinning you against the wall, coming up, turning you, making you face the wall, because I think sometimes you're a naughty girl. So I would make you face that wall, and then I would come up behind, and then I would just slowly whisper in your ear more things to come as I run my hand down your body. Bro. That kind of stuff really gets us going. When you start telling her the things that you can envision you're going to do to her, gets her super excited. But now let's get to the raw meat of it, meaning yours. Yes, I said that. So here is the thing. When you not only build our anticipation of what is to come, dun-dun-dun. There's another one. I can't help myself. It's like Pavilion song. I can't stop. Do. When you can not only build it up in her mind, because I think that's super important. I don't want to go into the meat of what I'm going to say. There I go again. The meat of what I'm saying, without setting you up to win. Because if you do that first part, what I'm gonna teach you to do now, that is gonna make her think about you for weeks, possibly months, I'm gonna say months, is once you've built that framework of anticipation, when it comes to this part becomes easy because it just requires you to execute. And of course, I'm gonna help you execute on this, but are you ready for this? When you can bring her to the bedroom and you can put her in positions and do things to her body that she ain't never had done before, and you do that so well, she will not stop thinking about you. Now, I have a whole program on 25 positions that you can put her in, some a little PG and some very not PG. And you can find that in the comment section. It's in the description. It's called Erotic Power Positions. You can get it, click it in the comment section, click it in the description. Oh, that's another fun thing with YouTube. I can't pin my comments to the top anymore. Yeah, so you have to look for my picture, and where you see a link, it's me, because they won't let me pin comments, but it's always in the description. Hopefully you can find it there. But yeah, get that Erotic Power Positions, because this is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna just lay it down, make it really easy for you. You're gonna tell her throughout the day, listen, I would love to just bend you over, and you're gonna take one of those positions that I share with you in there, and you're gonna begin to describe. Don't tell her what it's called. Don't tell her just I'm gonna do this to you. Just describe what it's going to look like. That anticipation. I'm gonna turn you around. I'm gonna bend you over. I'm gonna take that beautiful juicy of yours and I'm gonna pull it up, and then I'm gonna make you feel things you never imagined you could possibly feel. So you tell her that. You take one of those positions in erotic power positions and you begin to describe it to her. Now, this is what you are going to do. You're gonna watch that program and you're gonna pick one position that when you watch that video, you go, shh, that is the one thing I would love to do to this woman because she's so beautiful, because she has the most beautiful chest or she has the most beautiful bum. And so I would love to see that in this position. It's one that you need to be excited about. Here's the second thing. It needs to be a position that she's not done before. Why? Because I told you I would tell you a personal story. And I had a partner of mine and he was well adversed in the things that I share. And he just had a split genius idea and he put me in a position and he did it with a twist to it. I would be lying to you if I said that I was not thinking about that. That's why I said, I don't know if I agree with my title about Shu will think about it for weeks, because that's not true. That's not how us women are totally built. For months, I thought about that position. So much so that I'm sharing it with you here. Now, why? Why does this do this for us women? Because you've created a novelty experience and you built it up with that anticipation. And not only did you build it up, but you delivered on the goods. You gave us a whole new experience our body has never ever encountered. And what that does is it creates this excitement within our system, and our system identifies you. It locks you in to that experience and it goes, oh yeah, when I want to feel that escalation, when I want to feel that burst of pleasure, it was Bob who gave me that experience. And so now she locks into you, and every time like her body needs endorphins or she needs to feel something good or she's just pleasuring herself. I don't know what I can say, what I can't say anymore. That's why I make these damn programs, so I can just freaking talk the way I want to talk. Anyways, when you do that for her and when she's alone, then it's you who she begins to think about. And the reality is this, you want her to see you in that framework, in that light, because it really makes things easier. When you can build these scenarios, she's gonna be more inclined to want to come back to the bedroom to you over and over and over again. Why? Because it's like a little mouse that's been trained in a cage. It's like every time you hit this button, you get a piece of chocolate, or you get this, or you get that. You become that. You would become the chocolate where she's just like, I just know if I just do bing, then he comes and then I get my pleasure. I really hope this was helpful for you. In fact, in the comment section, because you know I love to do this sort of stuff, just say, I want to be the chocolate. And we all know. YouTube may pull their bullshit, but we know what we're talking about here because we got each other. Listen, I love you guys. Thank you for all your support, for all of your encouragement. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go watch that video. But listen, I love you and I will see you in my next video. You take care.